Hi guys, in front of me is Realme Narzo 50 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, you need to open the settings, then find and select wallpapers and style, and here select wallpapers. Now you have to pick the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. In my case, it will be one from static wallpapers. Here you've got all the options, and let me apply, for example, this one. Obviously, you can scroll over here to see how each picture looks on your screen. But let me stay with this first choice and then tap on apply. Now you need to decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will pick the third option. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this picture is assigned to both home and lock screen. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.